Okay, hold on, wait. Don't scroll past this video. I know my hair looks crazy, but I'm going to show you exactly what I do as I prep to record my videos. I'm going to do my hair on camera. So I'm just going to turn the camera on and show you what I do. So for those of you who do not know me, my name is Karen. I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I specialize in natural hair. I also specialize in hair loss. And one of my followers said, Karen, can you just show us what you do when you get ready to record your videos? What do you do with your hair? So you all, this is a very simple style that I'm just going to show you what I do. All right. So this is what my hair looks like. This is what it looked like when I went to bed last night. And all I'm going to do with this style, I'm going to pull my hair off my face. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this and I'm going to tuck this away. I don't want to work with that yet. And we're going to work with this. So for those of you who may be dealing with hair loss or thinning hair or thinning crown, this hairstyle may be for you. It's very, very simple. And I too have thinner hair up in this area. My hair is shorter up in this area too. So sometimes I just like to pull it back off my face. You'll see when I take the ponytail back out, the back of my hair is longer, but the top of my hair is a little shorter. So this is the area that I actually manage in terms of my slow growing hair. So the first thing that I do when I record, before I record, I first do some scalp care. So I just take my healer follicle stimulating drops, and I'm just putting them in the top part of my hair. This again is the part of my hair that grows a little slower. Massage that in. All right, I'm gonna take some Sealer Moisture Cream and I'm gonna put it on the ends, just the ends. Take a little hair butter. Pull the butter through the hair next, this hair. All right. Now I'm pulling it back like this. This is the vision. So I'm gonna take a little bit of gel the sides up. And y'all bear with me because I'm looking into my phone. So if I look crazy, just bear with me. I'm doing this in the camera. All right, so I'm taking a little bit of edge control now, and I'm gonna put edge control around my entire hairline. Take the back of this comb and just smooth that edge control in. Remember, be gentle with your edges. So you can see it's kind of parted ear to ear. It's not an even part. Nothing about this is even, but it doesn't have to be. So I'm gonna take the whole thing. I already put some gel around the sides. Take it, twist it. Okay, did you see that? I took it and I twisted it to give it a little bump right there in the front. Now I'm just gonna bobby pin it. I'll put another pin in it. 2 bobby pins. Take my rat tail comb and I want to lift it up a little bit. I want more volume up here in the top. Okay, now I want this to pop a little bit more. So I'm gonna take the hair right here and smooth it up. And then I'm gonna take a bobby pin and pin it down. Can you see the difference? Kind of makes this little pompadour pop out a little bit more. Same thing on the other side. Okay, there we go. Got the front done. The back is in big chunky twist. So in the back, I'm gonna pretty much take the twist out, and I tend to really make sure the ends are moisturized. So let me put this on. So I'm going to take the Sealer Moisture Cream, and for this look, I'm just going to put the moisture cream right on the ends. Not all over. Just on the ends, because you all know the ends is the oldest part of the hair, it's the driest part. So I like to make sure my ends are super hydrated. And the last step, I'm going to go in with a little bit of butter, put it all throughout the hair, and untwist the twist. All right, here we go. All the hair is out. I like volume, so I'm going to take my pick, just lift it up here. Make sure this is cool. Lift that a little bit more. Now, one last step. As I said, the top of my hair is shorter than the back, so I want it to blend a little bit. So I'm going to take this area right here, right in here, and I'm going to use some pins and just lift it up a little bit more so that it blends a little bit more. And I'm just going to do it with a bobby pin. Just kind of stick it right here. See the difference? All right, there we go. All right, now the very last step, I like to take my baby hair, oh, excuse me, my vellus hair, and brush out my baby hair. Yes, I'm almost 50, and I still brush out my baby hair. Okay, and that completes this look. I am film ready. I am ready to record these YouTube videos for the week. I hope you all picked up some tips on what you can do with your hair. It's just a really simple style. If you want to switch it up a little bit, particularly if you are someone who, again, is thinning at the top, has thinning at the crown. If you pull your hair back off your face like this, it gives you volume. It blends with the back of your hair the way it does with mine. So I hope you picked up some tips. Okay, guys, if you are looking for hair products to support the health of your hair, I encourage you to consider the Curl House product line. Okay, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss a video in the future. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.